The Badland F1 UL is a remarkable ultralight aircraft that strictly adheres to Part 103 regulations, offering aviation enthusiasts an affordable and customizable flying experience. Priced between $1,700 and $28,500 depending on options, the F1 UL kit provides a solid foundation for builders, including a fully welded 4,130 chromoly tubing airframe, all necessary hardware, fuel system components, control surfaces, landing gear, and wing assemblies. Builders can choose their level of completion, with options like the F2 Quick Build Kit, which reduces assembly time to approximately 250 hours, or the F3 Almost Ready to Fly Kit, requiring about 80 hours of assembly. The F1 UL's design is an advanced iteration of the renowned Kitfox Lite, known for its short takeoff and landing capabilities. Budget-friendly and versatile, this ultralight aircraft provides an excellent platform for pilots seeking a personalized flying machine. The Hummel Ultra Cruiser is an all-metal single-seat ultralight aircraft designed by Hummel, adhering to FAR Part 103 regulations, allowing operation without a pilot's license. Its cantilever low-wing design features a 25-foot wingspan, 16-foot length, and a 112 square feet wing area. With an empty weight of 249 pounds and a maximum takeoff weight of 500 pounds, it is powered by a 37-horsepower Hummel VW four-stroke engine, achieving a cruise speed of 60 miles per hour, a stall speed of 28 miles per hour, and a never-exceed speed of 95 miles per hour. Performance includes a takeoff run of 150 feet, a landing distance of 300 feet, and a climb rate between 500 to 1,000 feet per minute. The 5-gallon fuel capacity provides a range of approximately 160 miles. The Ultra Cruiser is available as a kit or ready to fly, with build times ranging from 320 to 600 hours, depending on the chosen kit and builder experience. The Kolb Firefly is a single-seat ultralight aircraft designed for enthusiasts seeking an agile and compliant flying experience under FAR Part 103 regulations. Featuring a high-wing pusher configuration and conventional landing gear, the Firefly has an empty weight of 254 pounds and a gross weight of 500 pounds. Its 22-foot wingspan and 117 square feet wing area contribute to its impressive performance. Powered by a 40-horsepower Rotax 447 engine, it achieves a cruise speed of 60 miles per hour, a stall speed of 24 miles per hour, and a maximum speed of 80 miles per hour. The aircraft's welded 4130 chromoly steel fuselage ensures durability, while quick-folding wings facilitate easy storage and transport. Builders can expect an assembly time ranging from 150 to 400 hours, depending on experience and kit options. With its responsive handling, exceptional visibility, and compliance with ultralight regulations, the Kolb Firefly offers a thrilling and accessible flight experience. The M2 Breese 2 is a high-wing strut-braced ultralight aircraft designed for pilots seeking a versatile and compliant flying experience. Powered by a 65-horsepower Rotax 582 engine, it delivers robust performance with a maximum takeoff weight of 1,320 pounds, extendable to 1,430 pounds when equipped with floats. The aircraft offers both single-surface and double-surface wing configurations to accommodate varied flight preferences. Notably, the Breeze 2 has been accepted by the FAA as an approved special light sport aircraft, making it suitable for both rentals and flight training. Its construction features a bolted aluminum tube structure with Dacron sailcloth-covered wings, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. Pilots appreciate the Breeze 2 for its responsive handling and adaptability, making it a popular choice among ultralight aviation enthusiasts. The Jetson One is an innovative personal electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for individual use. Constructed from aluminum and carbon fiber, it weighs 86 kilograms and can accommodate pilots up to 95 kilograms. Featuring 8 electric motors that produce a combined 102 horsepower, it achieves a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour, with a flight time of approximately 20 minutes. The Jetson One utilizes a 4-axis joystick for intuitive control and includes multiple safety features, such as a race car-inspired safety cell, the ability to sustain flight with the loss of one motor, hands-free hover and emergency functions, and a ballistic parachute for rapid deployment in critical situations. Priced at $98,000, it is available as a partially assembled kit, with current orders being taken for 2026 delivery. In the United States, it is classified as an ultralight aircraft, allowing operation without a pilot's license. The Quicksilver MX2 Sprint is a 2-seat, high-wing ultralight aircraft, renowned for its simplicity and excellent flight characteristics, making it ideal for recreational flying and flight training. Constructed with an aluminum tube airframe and Dacron sailcloth covering, it ensures durability and ease of maintenance. The aircraft measures 18 feet in length, 9 feet in height, and has a wingspan of 32.75 feet, providing a wing area of 180 square feet. With an empty weight of 330 pounds and a useful load of 390 pounds, it comfortably accommodates 2 occupants. Powered by a 65 horsepower Rotax 582 engine, the MX2 Sprint achieves a cruise speed of 51 miles per hour, a stall speed of 26 miles per hour, and a maximum speed of 75 miles per hour. Its high-lift single-surface wings facilitate short takeoff rolls and predictable handling at low speeds, enhancing safety and pilot confidence. The straightforward bolt-together design allows for quick assembly, typically between 40 to 60 hours, enabling enthusiasts to take to the skies promptly. The Fisher FP202 Koala is a single-seat, high-wing ultralight aircraft inspired by the classic Piper J3 Cub, offering enthusiasts a nostalgic flying experience. Designed for amateur construction, it features a geodetic wood structure covered with doped aircraft fabric, resulting in a lightweight yet robust airframe. With a wingspan of 29.81 feet, a length of 17.9 feet, and a wing area of 120 square feet, the aircraft has an empty weight of approximately 250 pounds and a maximum gross weight of 500 pounds. Powered by a 28 horsepower Rotax 277 engine, the Koala achieves a cruise speed of 55 miles per hour, a stall speed of 26 miles per hour, and a climb rate of 900 feet per minute. Builders can expect an assembly time ranging from 250 to 500 hours, depending on their experience and kit options. The FP202's straightforward design and classic aesthetics make it a popular choice among ultralight aviation enthusiasts. The Mosquito XE is a single-seat ultralight helicopter renowned for its lightweight design and impressive performance. Constructed with a unibody of high-quality fiberglass in a vinyl ester matrix, it has an empty weight of 298 pounds and a maximum gross weight of 610 pounds, allowing for a useful load of 312 pounds. Powered by a 64 horsepower compact radial engines MZ2022 two-cylinder, 2-stroke engine, the XE achieves a maximum speed of 80 miles per hour and a cruise speed of 75 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 12 gallons and an estimated fuel burn rate of 6 gallons per hour, 23 lph, it offers a flight duration of approximately 1.75 hours. The main rotor diameter measures 18 feet, and the helicopter has an estimated climb rate of 900 feet per minute, Priced at $53,000 for the kit and $68,000 for a factory-finished model, the Mosquito XE provides an accessible entry point into personal rotorcraft aviation. The Aero-Works Aerolite 103 is a single-seat, high-wing ultralight aircraft meticulously designed to comply with the FAA's FAR Part 103 regulations, offering aviation enthusiasts an accessible and enjoyable flying experience. Constructed with an all-aluminum bolt-and-rivet airframe, covered in durable Dacron sailcloth, the Aerolite 103 ensures both robustness and lightweight characteristics. It features a tricycle landing gear with a steerable nose wheel and a pusher configuration, measuring 16 feet 3 inches in length with a 26-foot wingspan and a wing area of 124 square feet. The aircraft has an empty weight of 235 pounds and supports a maximum takeoff weight of 600 pounds. It can be equipped with various engines ranging from 28 to 50 horsepower, such as the 28 horsepower Hirth F33 or the 50 horsepower Rotax 503, achieving a cruise speed of approximately 55 miles per hour, a stall speed of 26 miles per hour, and a climb rate of 1,000 feet per minute. The standard fuel capacity is 5 gallons, with optional upgrades to 7 or 10 gallons for extended flights. Pilots appreciate its straightforward controls, featuring a center-mounted stick, a left-hand throttle, and electric flaps, making it an excellent choice for both novice and seasoned ultralight pilots. The Phantom X1 is a single-seat, high-wing ultralight aircraft introduced in 1982, renowned for its robust design and responsive handling. Constructed from bolted aluminum tubing with Dacron sailcloth covering, it has an empty weight of approximately 250 pounds and a maximum takeoff weight of 510 pounds. Measuring 16 feet 8 inches in length with a wingspan of 28 feet 6 inches, the aircraft is powered by a 50 horsepower Rotax 503 engine, achieving a cruise speed of 55 miles per hour and a top speed of 70 miles per hour. Pilots appreciate its agile performance, with a climb rate of approximately 750 feet per minute and a stall speed of 35 miles per hour. The aircraft features a tricycle landing gear with a steerable nose wheel, a center-mounted control stick, and a left-hand throttle, offering a conventional and intuitive flight experience. Its straightforward assembly process and compliance with ultralight regulations have made it a popular choice among aviation enthusiasts. The Jordan Lake Airbike 103 is a single-seat, high-wing ultralight aircraft designed to comply with FAA Part 103 regulations. Its minimalist design features a welded 4,130 steel tube fuselage and wooden wings covered with aircraft fabric, resulting in an empty weight between 242 and 248 pounds. Measuring 16 feet in length with a wingspan of 26.75 feet and a wing area of 120 square feet, the aircraft is powered by a 40 horsepower Rotax 447 engine, achieving a cruise speed of 63 miles per hour, a maximum speed of 80 miles per hour, and a stall speed of 30 miles per hour. Pilots appreciate its responsive handling, straightforward assembly process, and compliance with ultralight regulations, making it a popular choice among ultralight aviation enthusiasts. The Eurofly Minifox is a versatile ultralight aircraft known for its impressive design and performance. Featuring a high strut-braced wing covered in Polyant PX 5 trilaminate sailcloth, it measures 6.10 meters in length with an 8.65 meter wingspan and a wing surface area of 10.06 square meters. With an empty weight of 116 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 230 kilograms, it reaches a maximum speed of 111 kilometers per hour, cruises at 90 km per hour, and stalls at 45 km per hour. Its climb rate of 2.5 meters per second, 70-meter takeoff run, and 75-meter landing distance ensure safe operations. A wing folding mechanism reduces its width to 2.3 meters for easy storage, and variants include the Evo Speed and Heavy versions, with the latter boosting the takeoff weight to 350 kilograms. The Aeroprakt A22 is an ultralight aircraft that blends performance, safety, and advanced design. This high-wing configuration aircraft features a wingspan of 9.45 meters and a length of 6.60 meters, providing excellent stability and control. It has a wing area of 10.1 square meters, supports a two-seat layout, and has an empty weight of 320 kilograms, with a maximum takeoff weight of 550 kilograms. Powered by a reliable Rotax 912 engine producing 100 horsepower, it achieves a cruise speed of 140 km per hour, stalls at 60 km per hour, and climbs at a rate of 5 meters per second. With a service ceiling of 3,000 meters, the A22 offers impressive versatility for recreational flights and training operations, exemplifying ultralight innovation. The Evektor Sportstar Max is a premier ultralight aircraft that combines performance, efficiency, and comfort for training and recreational flying. Powered by a Rotax 912 UL's 100 horsepower engine, it cruises at 110 knots, with a VNE of 146 knots, and climbs at 1,150 feet per minute. With an empty weight of 721 pounds, and a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds, it offers a stall speed of 39 knots in takeoff, and landing distances of 590 feet and 620 feet, respectively. The aircraft boasts a maximum range of approximately 710 nautical miles, and features a wingspan of 28 feet 5 inches, a length of 17 feet 7.5 inches, and an exterior height of 8 feet 2 inches. Its sleek design provides exceptional aerodynamics and a very comfortable seating arrangement for two. The North Wing Maverick Outlander is an advanced single-seat ultralight trike engineered for exceptional performance in off-field operations. Featuring a streamlined topless design with a 31.5-foot wingspan and a 160-square-foot wing area, it has an empty weight of approximately 252 pounds and a gross weight of around 650 pounds. Powered by a robust 50-horsepower Herth engine paired with a 3-blade composite propeller, it achieves rapid takeoff, lifting off in under 100 feet. The Outlander's weight shift control system and advanced folding wing pylon enhance maneuverability and ease of storage, while its 5-gallon fuel capacity ensures extended flight durations. Its meticulous design prioritizes reliability, efficiency, and superb pilot confidence, making it a top choice for ultralight pilots.